Hello everybody and welcome back to the worst cooking show on the internet.
Emergency!
Oh my gosh!
You ever seen one of these before, kid?
I'm KickThePj. Welcome to my kitchen. Don't flub it. I've never flubbed anything in my life. I'm just cobbling this intro together, guys. Today, we're going to be baking something from the Stardew Valley cookbook. It's autumn. What do you think of when you think of autumn? Not pumpkin pie. Everyone's saying pumpkin pie. Drop the, we're not doing pumpkin. No, not soup. This is why I'm the chef, okay? You leave this to me, okay? Blackberry Cobbler. We need to get this out of the way first and foremost. Cobbler? Are you mad? I've only just met her. I hardly know her. Have I read the recipe? No. When you're a pro chef like me, you don't need to read the recipe. The recipe reads you. We've got the whole look, everybody. Dress for the job you want, not the job you have. What job do I want? I don't know. What job do I have? I don't know. What do I do? What do you say we dive in? Imagine if I did that. I was sucked into the book and then preheat the oven. No, I don't think I will, actually. Grease a baking dish with some of the melted butter. We got butter, everybody. Butter? I don't know her. What does it mean, melted butter? Like, I have to melt this? This is the dish we've got. Oh, there's a hair in there. What the hell? We're just gonna get straight into it, guys. Time is money, and money is cobbler. This is baking. Painting with butter. It's a beautiful thing. I think that looks greased up, wouldn't you say? By the way, autumnal flavored towels. Yes, flavored. I know what I said. You think I'm some kind of idiot? In a medium bowl, combine... He said combine. Combine the flour. What flour? How much? Oh, it says in the ingredients how much. 175 G's. Jeez Louise. Now, it probably wants me to sieve it, but... no. It's a bit lumpy. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. 1, 2. I've never made a cobbler before. I am actually not too sure what it is. Lovely stuff. Put the microwave in the butter. Why would I do that? Are you drunk? To melt the microwave? Cinnamon. A minimum of cinnamon. Take a whiff. Go on, don't be shy, have a whiff. Let's have some fun with the cinnamon and just put as much as we want in. I'm gonna put like a heaped teaspoon in. Half a teaspoon of salt. I'm not measuring salt. It's salt. Do not look inside the secret compartment. This is for mine eyes only. This is where I keep my potions and lotions and motions. Whisk to combine. Where's my whisk?
You ever seen one of these before, kid?
This is the correct way to whisk, everybody. Allow me to show you. I'm not gonna lie, it was a bit whiskey. This would be a bit whiskey, wouldn't it, if I... This would be a bit whiskey. Grate the frozen butter. Did you freeze the butter? No. Does it need to be frozen though? Surely not. It's butter. What are you gonna do? Come on. Grater? Wait. I will not. Just assumes I have a box grater with large holes. This recipe is assuming a lot of me. First of all, it's assuming that I can read. Bold assumption to make. Book. It's working, despite everybody saying it wouldn't. Wash the butter off the hands. Iconic Crocs, thank you. These are my butter Crocs. Sorry, just put my foot on the stove. Look at that, even my socks are streaming. Don't let anybody tell you you're too old to do stunts like that. I'm 69 and I'm still doing my own stunts.
Would you look at that?
Freeze it for 10 minutes, but why? I'm the chef here, I do as I like. It's too late. You think I can undo this? You think I can extract the butter from the flour?
You have to freeze it!
I will put it in the freezer on one condition. You guys have to laugh at my jokes for the next hour. Check this out. You do that in public? Yeah. Just enjoy the little things in life whilst you can before the meteor hits. Next week. I've said too much, I should not have said that. What does buttermilk taste like raw if I licked it? Tangy, yeah. It's like yogurt, but worse. Okay, 120 milliliters of this. Vanilla extract. My snout was way too close to this. Come on, we're having fun, guys. Look, isn't this fun? Excellent consistency. PJ, the butter is in the freezer. Oh, there's frost on it. Look what you've done. It's all frozen. You've frozen my crumbs. Yes, sir. No, sir. 3 cobblers full, sir. These were the ingredients chosen to create the perfect Blackberry Cobbler. It just looks like slop. Oh, I've just unlocked a core memory. I was like 6 or 7 years old. We were doing like food tasting. There were like 4 troughs, and yes, they were troughs. One was full of beans, one was full of banana mush, one was full of oatmeal that looked exactly like this, and they made us eat it. The teachers made us eat it like we were little pigs, little child pigs. What was the curriculum? What were we learning? Some food looks disgusting, and guess what? It also tastes disgusting. Pig larp. We were larping as pigs. Excuse me, miss. You want me to snarf that slop down like a pig? And then you go home and mum's like, all right, I've cooked pizza for dinner. And you're like, oh, sorry, can't. I'm so full. It's still sloppy. Reverse your stirring until it reverts to flour. That's not how cooking works. Adding a little ketchup might help. I don't know what I can trust in the chat and what I can't trust, quite frankly.
Let's do this.
Oh, it's so wet. This is not gonna look like dough, ever. What is that? It's cobbler.
It looks overmixed.
PJ, move on, I'm bored. But we haven't finished, move on, I'm bored. Chill in the refrigerator whilst you put together the filling. Okay, chill, what, me? Whoa. Funny stuff. I feel like Sandman, you know, in the Spider-Man films.
I'm turning into sand.
If we're talking about Spider-Man, maybe I should put a bit of green food dye in this, and then we'd have the green cobbler. I'm out here fighting for my life, making this cobbler. I don't see you guys trying. All I see from the chat is, oh, put it in the microwave, put it in the fridge, get in the fridge, get out of the fridge. Watch this. Have the Olympics called yet? They have, but I was busy. We're moving on, guys. We're making excellent progress. Check it out. Blackberry toppings. Blackberry toppings.
Are you sure about that?
I want a fridge that I can like with my butt head. What's leaking? Cobbling overboard. I was basically brought up to be told if you eat something off a bush outside, you will die. Ooh, I see ghosts. I am communing with it's a medium bowl. Read the can. What, the whole thing? Store in a cool, dry place. Shaquille O'Neal's house. Hey, Shaq. Yes, Peach. Yeah, I'm doing this baking stream later on in the week. Can I keep this jar of preserves at your house? Oh my God. Oh my God, black cherry! No! Oh my God! Oh my God! No! I thought it said blackberry. I swear to God, when I was in the shop, this said blackberry. Ingredients. See, it says black, oh no, it doesn't. It says black cherries. Want to get in touch? Write us at customer care. Yeah, I'd like to get in touch, please. You've missold me PPI. I wasn't expecting to have to use the backup, but we do have a backup. But this also doesn't say blackberries. Seedless bramble preserve. Which one would you believe is blackberries? The one that almost says blackberry, or the one that says bramble?
Misa Jaja berries.
That was a satisfying plop. Watch this. Let's put the microphone in there. Oh no! I've been licked!
Oh yeah.
I need 680 grams of blackberries. Berries and cream, berries and cream. You like that? Does that do it for you? Get this out of my sight. Chef, you didn't wash the fruit. It doesn't tell me to wash the fruit. 6 tablespoons of sugar. 1. Oh no! Stir gently to combine. I said combine twice today. No. I see a Fuji. Fuji, what's this? Do you want to say hi to everybody? Nope, she does not like that. My sous chef.
Be gone, foul cat.
She's not foul. She's lovely, actually. Would you stick your face in this? You would, wouldn't you? Sick bastard. This place is a mess. This smells like something that I personally wouldn't eat, but I'm gonna have to. We're nearly there, everybody. Woo! Somebody call the ambulance because PJ's cobbler's almost ready. One taste of this and you're gonna die. Paging Dr. Chef. Emergency! I can see you perfectly in there. Where do you think I go when the stream ends? I go into your walls. I don't do a crust? No crust? Is this not crust? No crust is cobbler, not pie. What did I think I was making? I thought this was a delicious pie. Hey, is cobbler not just something that Americans say to be cute? Oh, you should come over later. I'm making a cobbler. Cobbler's an actual thing. Oh my God. I've watched too much Sabrina the Teenage Witch, man. I thought a cobbler was somebody that fixed shoes. It is a wonder that I am alive. The spooning has begun. We can't turn back time now. This is a way too big dish. Paging Dr. Chef, emergency. I can make 2 cobblers. However long it's about to tell me it's gonna take to cook, I don't have that much time. Fuji gets her own little cobbler. So, the plan has changed a little bit. We've got 2 dishes, double the crumble, double the fun. As the Fantastic Four would say, it's cobbling time. We can do little plops. Oh, I'm making cobbler today. You should come on over after work. Have yourself a merry little cobbler. We're gonna cook them for an undetermined amount of time, and then we're gonna eat them. Hey guys, do you wanna see my microwave? Now that was funny. I need a bit of butter. Today, class, we're going to be painting with this delicious yellow nectar. Okay, we're going to try and brush these as best as we can. I'm working as best as I can. There is no asbestos in my cobbler. I could not find turbinado sugar, but I have got brown sugar. Tornado time. My sugar's full of molasses. Everybody do the wieners. The wieners is a dance. Why don't we go ahead and throw them in the oven? For how long? Who knows? Who even cares? Okay. This page is getting very mucky, but that's how you know that it's like well loved and well used. You guys have really made a mess of this kitchen. The rhubarb Barbara's rhubarb barbarians told the rhubarb Barbara's rhubarb barbarians beard barber all about rhubarb This will be a topping. Do you have a hand mixer? Yeah, it's this. I've got all the time in the world. You think I'm going somewhere? A chef might do this. A real chef is like, no, I don't play by the rules. Help is on the way, dearie. This is taking a while. I saw a video the other day of an elephant playing a prank on someone. Because the elephant like took somebody's hat and then pretended to eat it. I might try that sometime. Oh, got your hat. You know, in London, you know those guards who like don't move and don't smile? The big black fluffy hats. Maybe we should try that with one of them. Got your hat. Ah, don't shoot me. What film's that from? Willy Wonka und das Schokoladefabrik. Are we there yet? Seems a bit curdled. How can you know that? You seem a bit curdled. How do I know that? I'm just saying things. You're just saying things, I'm just saying things. If you can just say things, I can just say things. It looks done? Okay. You got a bit of cream in the fridge there. You guys ever seen the motherfucking wombles? You could put a gun to my head and say, draw a womble. I'd have to simply perish. What does a womble look like? Who remembers Tobermory? And that closes the book on that chapter. Looks like cobbler's back on the menu, boys. It was always on the menu. It never left the menu. Earl, you're spending all me money. That's my impression of Mr. Krabs. Dad. We got a couple of cobblers and they smell really good, actually. If saluting with one hand is an honor, imagine saluting with two hands. How is it, Mr. Wonka? Ooh. Is that cobbler I smell? Cobbler real good. I might actually be getting good at baking. Check this out. Wow, look at that cobbler. I'll give Sophie a shout. A drum roll, please.
It smells very good.
So we have a little bit of cream, a little bit of biscuity biscuits, and a little bit of Blackberry Cobbler. It's Blackberry Cobbler from the STARDEW Valley cookbook.
Wow.
Get a little bit of everything on there, get a bit of biscuit, bit of cream.
It smells very good.
Yeah. Get a bit of blackberry. 3, 2, 1. It.
Is it hot?
Not too hot. It's not like too overpoweringly sweet. It's got a bit of a tang to it.
That's nice. It tastes fresh.
It does taste very fresh.
It tastes very clean, crisp.
Yep.
This is really good.
I think I've got a seed in my throat. So I suppose it's a DC.
No, I don't think you can DC
Okay.
a blackberry.
Have a lick.
This is the best thing you've made so far.
I ate the whole bowl. I can't believe I ate the whole thing.
A successful dish with no hazards.
Not a single hazard. Time to cobble it right up. Well, everybody, I would say that was a pretty successful cobbling. Thank you very much for watching this cobbler adventure. If you enjoyed this video, cobble me a thumbs up and subscribe for more cobbler content. And I will catch all you cobblers in the next video. Cobbler transition.